Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tea using loose leaves with an easy method. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You will need a teapot or a mug, a tea infuser, and a way to heat water. Choose your favorite loose leaf tea, perhaps a soothing chamomile or an invigorating black tea. Finally, make sure you have fresh, clean water ready to go. These few items are all you need to begin your tea journey. Next, we will prepare the water and measure our tea. The water temperature is crucial for extracting the best flavors. For black or herbal teas, bring your water to a full boil, about 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Green and white teas, however, prefer a gentler heat, around 160 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit. As a general guide, use 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea for every 8 ounces of water you plan to brew. This ensures a perfectly balanced cup. Now comes the magical part, steeping your tea. Carefully place your measured tea leaves into the infuser and gently lower it into the hot water. The steeping time varies significantly by tea type. For a strong black tea, let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Green and white teas are more delicate, needing only 1 to 3 minutes. Herbal infusions can steep longer, often 5 to 7 minutes, to fully release their flavors and properties. Experiment to find your perfect strength. Finally, it is time to enjoy your perfectly brewed cup of tea. Once your tea has steeped to your liking, carefully remove the infuser from the water. Now is the moment to customize your drink. Feel free to add a splash of milk, a spoonful of sugar, a drizzle of honey, or a slice of lemon if you prefer. Pour your fragrant tea into your favorite mug, take a moment, and savor the delightful flavors and comforting warmth. Cheers to your easy, homemade tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.